Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you 12 very easy heatless hairstyles perfect for every day, especially if you have no time, and each of the hairstyles takes you about 30 seconds to 3 minutes depending on the length of your hair, and there is no heat required, so these hairstyles won't damage your hair. So if you're interested how creative this looks, then just keep on watching. For the first hairstyle, I just put my hair on to one side and then I take a clear elastic. You can take every elastic you want, but I think a clear one fits to every hair color. And then I just tie my hair together and create a little hole. And then I put my hair through it. I think this hairstyle is perfect for every day and it's super easy and it looks like you put so much effort in it even if you haven't. And then I do the same thing again, create a little hole and put the hair through it, and that's everything I do until I'm finished. And then I just pull out the hair a little bit so this hairstyle gets more volume and doesn't look so flat and put together. And that's the finished look. Very simple and easy and beautiful. The next hairstyle is even easier because I only just create a very high ponytail, and I think this hairstyle always looks good and it takes you about 10 to 30 seconds, so it's super easy and perfect for every day. That leads us to hairstyle number 3, where I start off with a high ponytail and you just need a few elastics, and I just tie up my hair in sections and pull out the hair a little bit so the hairstyle gets more volume, and then I just repeat the step until the end. For the next hairstyle, I just section off my hair and then I just twist my hair a little bit and put it into something like a bun. And then I just secure it with an elastic again and pull out the hair a little bit, so as you know, to get more volume. And that's the finished hairstyle, perfect for every kind of occasion. Hairstyle is as simple as the last one. You just take a little section and twist it around your finger, and I think that's more easier if you have shorter hair. And then you do the same thing on the other side again, and then you put it on the back of your head and just secure it with an elastic. And to finish up the hairstyle, you just create a little hole and pull your hair through it. And that's the finished hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, you just need 2 little sections on each side again. And then you just braid both sections, and the longer your hair is, the longer it takes you to braid both sides. These hairstyles are great if you're in a rush and have no time to spend hours on your hairstyle. So like me in the morning, because I always wake up too late and I don't want to spend too much time on my hair, but I just want to look put together. I'm still braiding. And then I secure it with a bobby pin. I wouldn't recommend securing it with an elastic because I will remove the bobby pins later. And then I just put both braids onto the back of my head and just secure them with an elastic. and I remove the bobby pins. And then I just put it together and remove the braid, and then I just start braiding again. And then you just put the braid through the hole, and that's the finished hairstyle. I think the next hairstyle is perfect if you want to do sports. You just have to pull your hair into a high ponytail and then just start braiding it. To add more volume to the hairstyle, I just pull out the hair a little bit. And now you're ready to do your haircut. For the next hairstyle, you just bring your hair to one side and section it into 2 sections. And then you just take a little section from one side and bring it to the other side, and do the same on the other side again. And the sections can be smaller or bigger, it doesn't matter, but the smaller the sections are, the longer it takes you to do this hairstyle. It's something like a fishtail braid, but only with bigger sections. But I just only braid until the half of my hair and then I secure it, but you can definitely braid your whole hair. It's totally up to you. And then I just pull out the hair to get more volume, and that's the finished look. The hairstyle is so simple and cute, and I don't know why, but it reminds me of summer. And you just have to take little sections on both sides of your head and just braid them. I don't know why, but I love braiding my hair, even if it takes me hours, especially when I braid only little sections. And then I just braid the other side again. I hope you don't get bored seeing me braiding my hair, but yeah. And then I just hide the braids a little bit underneath my hair, and now we're done. And now I just take the little braids again and create another hairstyle with this. I just remove the elastic and bring it on the other side of my head and secure it with a bobby pin. And then I just do the same thing on the other side again. And I've just recently uploaded a video where I show you how to create Milkmaid braids, so I will put the link into the description box so you can check it out if you want. And when everything is secured with a bobby pin, you're good to go. For the next hairstyle, you just have to braid again. And first of all, you take a little section and braid it. Then you just take a bigger section and braid this one too. And then you take the 3 different sized braids and create one big braid with them. So that's the perfect hairstyle if you want to pimp up your braid a little bit. And with this hairstyle you can create another one. You just have to put it into something like a bun on the back of your head and secure it with an elastic and a few bobby pins. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!